Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install the Linux Mint inside the VMware. So before getting started with how to install, you need to download the VMware itself, and then also you have to download the Linux Mint ISO too. So here you can have a look at. I have already installed the VMware Workstation Pro, and I have already created some virtual machines such as the called Linux itself, the Linux Mint, and then here is the actual download link of the Linux Mint. I have downloaded the cinnamon version of the 64-bit version. It is for the desktop, so you decide which version you are going to use. So after that, you have to come here and select create a new virtual machine, select typical, click next, select install disk image file, and then click browse and locate the ISO file of the Linux Mint you have downloaded. So and then click next, select the Linux, and the version have to be Ubuntu, doesn't matter. Now type a name for that one. I'm going to type Linux Mint because I have already created the other versions by that name. So click next and then specify the amount of the storage for this one, and also I'm going to select storage, store virtual disk as a single file, and then click next. And so you can also customize here the RAM, the storage, the net, the display, or whatever that is. So when you are done, click finish. Once you are done, simply go ahead and power on the virtual machine. There are two methods by which you can install the Linux Mint. One is you can install from OEM install for the manufacturers, or you can install it after going live. So I'm going to perform the live option, so simply click enter.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad.
So you can have a look here that the Linux Mint live version is launched. Now you have to click the install Linux Mint. So for the first time you have to select the your language. I'll go with the default. Select your keyboard layout, and so here is the window where you need to check if you are a Windows user and you have just switched to the Linux. Basically, third-party softwares or those softwares such as like the VLC, such as like the MP3 player and the other versions for the daily use. If you need them, just go ahead, check that one. If not, don't worry, just go ahead, click continue. So here is the installation type. You can erase the whole disk and install it. You can encrypt the disk, and here is also this something else. In case you are about to dual boot your computer, a Windows 10 alongside the Linux Mint, you can select this one. So for now, I'm going to select erase disk and then install now. It is saying that it is going to delete the partition 1. I'm saying just go ahead and click continue. You have to also specify your location. I'm going to type the Korea and then click continue. Now type here your name, a password, and finally click continue. Now this process takes some time. However, if you are performing or if you are installing Linux Mint inside your desktop or laptop, it takes about 5 to 8 or 10 minutes. I installed it on my desktop, but now I'm performing it inside my laptop, inside the virtual machine. Now I don't know why, but most of the time this part or this segment takes too much time. around to 10 to 12 minutes.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran...
Here you have to restart the PC because the installation is done. So after the installation you need also to eject the ISO of the Linux main.
De la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad y más.
Welcome to the Linux Mint. So you can have a look here that Linux Mint is installed, and here is the dialog box of the welcome. So in the next video, follow me how to configure the VMware tools.